Today I'm here at the newest development in all of San Marcos. It's the Paloma development by California Pacific Homes. I'm going to give you an overview of the entire community so you know what it's all about. I'll also give you a tour of my favorite floor plan. And if you stay on to the very end of the video, I have some great news to share about how you can save a tremendous amount of money if you end up being interested in this community. But before we get started, my name is Kevin McBride. I'm a realtor here in North County. So if you have any interest in buying or selling a home in the area, be more than happy to help. Just call me, email me, text me. All my information will be in the details on this video. I'll first tell you a little bit about the community and then we'll jump into the live tour. So this community is going to be a little over 100 townhomes. It's new construction. They're just in the first phase right now. So they have some really good deals as they're trying to move these first initial units. They're also going to have some great amenities here at the community. The one I think that really is a differentiator compared to a lot of the other developments that I'm seeing here in San Marcos is that you're going to be able to have a pool and jacuzzi here at the development that you'll be able to take advantage of. One of the other things that I really love about this community is where it is located. It's right in between the business Costco and the Las Posas shopping center on Grand. So you're right in the thick of things. This is pretty much like one of the best spots in San Marcos as far as walkability is concerned. You can literally walk to the business Costco, or you could go shopping at Sprouts, grab a bite to eat at one of the various restaurants that they have there at the shopping center. You could go check out Nordstrom's Rack or Ross and kill some time shopping. All of it is within minutes of your townhome. So that's one of the great things that I love about this particular community is where it's located here in San Marcos. They're also going to be giving lots of incentives for people who are trying to move into this first phase, which I'll break down for you after the tour. I'm going to go ahead and be showing you my favorite floor plan today that they currently have available in this first phase, which is going to be residence number 5. It's going to be a 3-bed, 2.5 bath with just under 1,700 square feet. And it's going to be only $788,900 for this unit. Without further ado, let's check it out. Welcome to Paloma, residence number 5. We come in here on the first floor. That's where your 2-car garage would be. Come up the stairs, and this is going to be your living space. So this is where all the living areas are going to be. You have a powder room here for your guests. It opens up into this huge open floor plan of living area. So you have your living room here, opens right into the dining room and the kitchen. The camera doesn't even do this justice. This space is enormous. And look at that island. The cruise liner could dock up on that island. You don't have to ride in on the ferry. And then look, you have plenty of cabinet space, but you also get this tremendous pantry. So you're not going to run out of space in this kitchen. And then look at the finishes. Everything is top notch. These stones, the cabinets are beautiful. You have this deck area outside so you can get some fresh air and spend some time out there. Again, this living area is tremendously large, plenty of space. Go up to the 3rd floor. This is where all the bedrooms are going to be. Again, this is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. You'll see that these rooms are large rooms. You can have a nursery with a sitting room. You could definitely get a king-size bed in here. We go into the bathroom. You'll see it's a double sink with the same great stone and cabinetry that runs throughout the entire house. We'll take a look at the 2nd bedroom here in the very back. Again, plenty of space. Get a huge bed in there and still have room to move around. And go into the master room. We'll check out this huge walk-in closet. Has space for everything that you need. Well, at least my wife. But if you turn to the left, you'll see this enormous master room for a sitting area, master bed, a desk so you can work from home. And then you get into the master bath. Again, it's a double sink. So, my wife may, not want to divorce me every single morning. And then we take a look at the shower. Look at the craftsmanship on the shower. It's beautiful. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the tour. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to break down all the incentives and the ways that you can save money by getting in on this first phase that they currently have constructed. What they're doing to entice people and move these initial units is they're actually upgraded units, but they're charging a lesser price. So normally you would be paying an additional $60,000 in upgrades on the finishes like the countertops and the cabinets and the flooring and things of that nature. They're throwing that in for no additional cost when you're getting in on this first phase. The other thing that they are going to be doing is they're going to be offering special financing. So what they're going to be doing is they're going to be locking you in at a 5.99 30-year fixed rate mortgage. But they're going to drop your first year down to 3.99% and your second year to 4.99% before the third year goes up to 5.99 and is fixed throughout the remainder of your 30-year mortgage. Now, there's also some additional ways I will be able to save my buyers some money on these units. So if you have an interest before you come check them out, be sure to reach out to me so I can tell you about those. You can, again, call me, email me, text me. All my information is in the details. I'm also going to be doing another video where I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite 2 bedrooms that they have here and be taking a tour so you can see that if you're more interested in the 2 bedrooms in this community. But that's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.